In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use teleprompter in StreamYard. If you've ever stumbled over lines or lost your place during a live show, this feature will make your delivery smoother and more confident. We'll start in the studio, add your script, turn on the teleprompter, and fine-tune it so it keeps up with your natural speaking pace. First, log into StreamYard and open your broadcast studio. You can enter an existing studio or set up a new one. Either way, the teleprompter works the same. Before you dive in, it's a good idea to check your camera and microphone and make sure your internet connection is stable. The teleprompter is most helpful when everything else is already ready to go. Next, look for the Notes tab inside the studio. Click Notes to open it. This is where you'll type or paste your script. Keep your lines short and add breaks between ideas so your eyes aren't racing across long paragraphs. The Notes section is for you, not your viewers, and the teleprompter pulls its text directly from here, so what you put in Notes is exactly what will scroll on your screen. Now enable the teleprompter from within the Notes tab. Turn on teleprompter and your script will appear on the screen right away. It begins scrolling automatically so you can start reading without fumbling for controls. Position your StreamYard window close to your camera lens so your eyeline looks natural. Small adjustments here make a big difference in how polished you appear on screen. From here, tailor the teleprompter to your voice. Adjust the scroll speed until it matches your natural cadence. StreamYard offers 4 scrolling speeds, and starting a little slower is often more comfortable. Increase or decrease the font size to whatever feels easy to read at a glance. The goal is to keep your eyes relaxed and your delivery steady. If you need a moment, use play or pause to stop the script. This is perfect for live interactions, quick demonstrations, or when you want to emphasize a point and take a breath. When you're ready, hit play again and continue right where you left off. That's the full workflow. Log in and open your studio, add your script to Notes. Enable the teleprompter, then adjust speed, font size, and use play or pause as needed. Do a quick rehearsal before going live to lock in your pace, and you'll find your delivery becomes clear, consistent, and professional.